SHOT Show 2026 coverage is presented by 511 Tactical. I was just looking at the new flush fit 21 magazines from Shield Arms. I was talking to Wes, and he said, by the way, I've seen our MPS. Apparently, you guys had like a very, very rough copy last year that you were kind of showing like proof of concept. Now you've got something slightly more refined, the MPS, the Modular Pistol System. What is it?
So it is a chassis-based or fire control unit-based 43X size. It's compatible with the top end and trigger components of the 43 series and the 48s. Also comes as a pre-built full gun. You can swap it out. You can BK have it your way and change all of the components. We've got a 10-round frame. We've got longer slides and shorter slides. It all takes the S15 magazine or the S10 magazine if you have the shorter frame. We're going to have a polymer version of it that comes out following the aluminum frame. But that's kind of the full ecosystem, and then we're also partnering with other people around the industry to come up with aftermarket parts for it.
Okay, so the big takeaway here then is basically you can use Glock 43, 43X, 48, uppers, and barrels, recoil springs, triggers. Yep. So, but you get a modular chassis-based system, so you can switch all your different frames. Yes. What kind of frames are we making?
So they are aluminum, removable back straps. We've got a couple different size back straps. We're also, like I said, we're also going to have the polymer frame version, and then we're going to have a kind of a full line of accessories so you can customize and switch them around and do whatever you need to do.
Okay, and how much are these going to cost?
The aluminum full build guns we're going to keep under $1,000. We haven't finalized the price point yet, but that's our goal, is to keep it in that kind of achievable goal price point.
And what about the polymer versions?
Polymers are going to be $200 or $300 less than that. So
okay, all right. So we're talking about like an MSRP of, call it $700 to $800 for the polymer ones. So the question right now that everyone, they're watching this thinking, why would I do this when I could just buy a Glock 43, 43X, 48?
Well, the nice thing about it is you buy one system and you can have a 10-round concealed carry one day. You can have the long slide full frame to go to the range or to shoot competitions with. You can change the colors. Guys like to change watches. You can match your watch to your frame, whatever you want to do. You got a lot of options with it.
All right, so the M part of modular, the M part of MPS, that's the important part. The modularity is essentially what you're selling here, and this is not in production. We're still prototyping, but do we have any projection?
These are pre-production samples. Technically, in the next few months, we're shooting to get them out into the wild. But again, just like with everything else we do, we want to make sure that they're well tested and vetted, and that you're going to have a good, reliable system when it comes to you, and you're not going to have to worry about it. So that's our main goal, is to be reliable, good quality, all of that.
Wes, thank you very much for speaking with us on camera. Guys, thank you so much for watching TFBTV for SHOT Show 2026. Stay tuned. We'll bring you more.